Here's your first question. Who is the biggest flirt? Okay. Who made the first move? Who was the better cook? Who said, I love you first? Oh. Who has the wackiest family? Be honest. Let me see your shoes. Are we going to count that one, or do we make them play?
No, I like it.
Okay.
Oh, that counts.
Okay. Who is the better driver? Who's the fastest driver? Who spends the most time in front of a mirror? Who wears the pants in the family? Who is most likely to eat dessert for breakfast? Who will be doing the most yard work? Oh, who passed gas first? Who's the better kisser?
Ooh.
Who will be the first to fall asleep tonight? Who has the smelliest feet? Who steals the covers more? Wait. Who popped the question? Nobody?
Somebody did.
Who talks the most? Who says I love you the most? Who is likely to use all of the hot water? Who is likely to get lost? Who will ask for directions? Who is the first to make up after a fight? Who most likely caused the fight? Who wakes up grumpy in the morning? Who spends the most money? And finally, who do you love the most?
That was great.